A job for a guy, and I'm charging him $50,000 to build this little ledge he wanted, he always dreamt of. And it's a 100-year-old barnwood. I put that on first, and now I had to actually spend $30,000 in supplies. The barnwood is only a couple $100, but the old money is where it gets expensive. Put it under epoxy for him. So just showing off this old money, he wanted me to wood glue it. And this one I think was about $1,400. This one is about $2,000, $1,000. More to go getting glued on here, and it's gonna look real nice. He said if he ever moves, he'll take it with him, but I don't think he's got more than 5 years to live. He's about 87 years old. He's the last living Civil War veteran alive. The epoxy we used on the ledge, the roller I used on it, and here's the ledge. It's all done. Gonna show this off one last time. Looks amazing. That's what you get for 50 grand. Actually 51,000 and some change.